Erico. Eric. Nanya anachabuan.
Hata nimemwacha tu kama iko hapo. Kwa fashion ma icho. Wakrega kanyoko wa akarudi jioni. Sisi macho kwa choko mwalo.
Kan wangi daturi. Kan wangi daturi. Ikiage moyo nyathino rwakre ko expect na biro to kabi.
Chwadrema fashion kanyo.
Yani nyocha nyathino rwakre ga. Chakre.
Mua msikaka.
Alwa settle. Guys, okay. Guys, thank you so much. Keep on watching. Stephen I'm really happy to see Stefanos on the vibe. Majalendo ane maga majalendo Tabitha I see Stefan hello ane maga majalendo Ribot Sedo Ani magam dalen Adego baba Ini me walo. How you guys? Thank you so much. I see Ratego. Ratego, how are you doing? How are you doing? Ay. Inside to Tieno, Tananga Baba. Thank you so much, guys. My spoken Mugega playing traditional instrument called nyatiti. The instrument is from western part of Kenya. You're welcome. Kamera, Zedo. Nimewala bana. Waradia. Agi Kundiro. Shiba. Habisin wardiri. Seda Buddha. Michael. Seda Buddha. Have you seen Luzimaya? Ricardo Moltona. The topic point. Kundira. Have you seen most viewers? Sit on the mic. Papi, papi. Sonia. What? How is it, Ella? Palimba, Achuas. Achuas, yo. Mugenda makobenya sumusama maga ukijunyaki. Ayo, toma. Have you seen Mama Nayara? Sonia, Mama. Have you seen at X Deluxedia? Sonia, how are you? Papia. One designer. Have you seen designer? Michi Miki. Thank you so much, Michi Miki. Pathfindero. Hi guys, thank you so much. The instrument is called nyatiti, one of the traditional instruments from western part of Kenya. My name is Maka. Follow me Maka. Subscribe on YouTube if you like the vibe, guys. Pathfindero. You can just donate something small in super chat or PayPal, guys. Yeah, Pathfindero. Pathfindero. My name is Maka Mugenda. Keep on watching. The instrument is called nyatiti. Pathfindero, oh, Alale no Mona Lisa. Pathfindero, tumugongo nyinge. Pathfindero, Pathfindero. Yeah. Wewe mondi ya watu. I see something here. Manyaka confirm your mondi ya watu. Thank you so much. I was confirming something, bwana. Well, let me call. I want your name that you normally pack with. La Modise. It'll come on. Somebody's Pathia, Pathfindero. Thank you so much. What mama? It'll come on, ayuda. If you like a dance or dance, if you like a dance, you do. If you like to dance to do, dance to do, san hang, dance to do, dance to do, do, ha ha, san hang have you seen Colime? Samara Mudago Gandu Nelo Sodavan Yago Baba Yago Baba Kando Namai Mai ha ha Mai da Oh da Bokaye Oh da Bokaye Karatum Meru ha ha Kandaya Kando Osmava Mago Benji Adel Ini dek Meru ah Hello. Guys, if you like the vibe, why can't you just donate something small in the super chat you are watching on YouTube? Stranger, do. Losing Maya. We're just coming up with some new vibe. Malvo, Victor, so the vibe. Keep on watching, guys. If you like the vibe, why can't you clap? Sajan, Satu. Thank you so much, my brother. I received a lot of thanks. There's a man, I can't call your name, bro, in social media. Your real name, I will just call you Kwach. Zambia. Let me recharge bundles, guys, just 1 second. And we are continuing. Yes, I like the chord variation. Joseph Chichi. Makasing to Gigi Dedio She know that you wanna do Gigi Joseph Gigi father Oh God Baba Extraordinary wedding I will be danger Jennifer Panger, Jennifer Scream. I am singing to Gigi. Ha ha. Sajana Zapu. We call it nyatiti, nyatiti. We call it nyatiti loyo. Ah Baba Gigi. Yourself in the video, only Papa. In the video, in the video, Ali, exclude. I shall saw the vibe. Thank you so much. Say hi to Father Joseph Kitchen. Ololo amaji. Ezibara Shanta. Hey, hello Shanta. Shanta girl. Kumunonga birago. Lakshayo. Shanta dance. Atu dance. Woo woo. Hey hey. Ololo magare. Ololo magare. Rico Avaricani. Magare. Shanta on the line. Atu bende kola. Atu bende kola. Chichi lava. Amala amala amala. Pero lucky on the one. Ha ha. I was viewer. Batinga ye. Batinga ye. Oh. Nega. Nega. Ana sama kojo dindo samba binde more bure. Video sama Mr. Fido. Ha. Goodbye Chichi. Bravo bravo. Bravo bravo. Bravo bravo. Ha ha. Hey 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 hey. Hey, have you seen Brilliance of the Man? Bravo Sixo! Hey, Ajiji, Bravo Denny, Spirio, Oscan, Gigi. Bravo. It's a vibe, guys. Thank you so much. My name's Makan. GG. My name's Makan. Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe on YouTube. The instrument is called nyatiti. Nyatiti is a Luo traditional instrument, guys. Sajan also the vibe. Nyatiti, where you say the cause don't speak the language. Yeah, guy. Redemo, Okwal Rico. The instrument is called nyatiti donka. Siba. Have you seen Don Siba on the van? He's a witch of music now. Muganga mkuu. I just want you to shake your body. Amanda. I'm a mwemba. Have you seen Dono Silva? Nyakwaro witi jangoma. Zikasmo. Nyakwaro witi jangoma. Show me love, show me love. Show me love if you like it. Show me love, show me love. Him long, can you say him long? Yakwaro with the I'm long. Kolo. Have you seen Winona from Arizona? I tell them what they know, they don't know. When I was long, we don't know. Mr. Good morning, Arizona. Where are you watching from now? Some people from Zambia. What are we from Kenya? Mama, have you seen the beautiful lady from Arizona? If you like the one, show me love, show me hello, are you dancing? Are you vibing? Thank you so much. Adios. Rayasha, have you seen Rayasha? Tell him Makamuganda is like with nyatiti. Win on. Nanga kidonda. I tell you it's a vibe. Oh, Montana. I am on the vibe. Dakota, can you dance? Dakota, can you dance? Stranger do. Dakota, I am jungle. Jabaristic, yeah. Have you seen Jabaristic on the can you shake your ganungo? Are you getting that one? I am ganungo. Hey, oh my ganungo. Agota ganungo is ganungo ba? Levi Chajvano Zovera. Pesadi. Jadi pesa matin baba. Pesa matin. Taila matek. Let me. Ay. We know how you're doing. Maya. Guys, thanks so much for those who are watching on YouTube. My name is Maka. For those who join in on YouTube now, I have a super chat to you. If you like the vibe, you can. Hi, thank you so much, baby girl. Terry Tani Terai Tang. Terai Tani also on the vibe. Ayo, Amidiani. Ayo, Jonah on the wine. Have you seen Jonah Iglesta? Jabalista. West Tarantino. I have been speaking to the ancestor, power of ancestor. You know when I am calling your name, Nebuaya. Ancestors, they are just listen to your name, and they just bring healing spiritually. I think you got me Winona. the vibe. Yeah, I go. Nebi swoi, nebi Jona Jona, Jona Jona. Ah ah, ayego, Buddha, ayego, ay, mukosa naman, yon yung kanumin. Ah ah, DJ Boka. Ajenwange katine Pinona tungi ha ha Nina montana Adiri Olo adiri Montana mami Ha 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 Lama kora ko tumaya kwaro tunge Nação da Barra Donkio Boca a boca liria wamboi Mabongolui Mabongolui Ai, 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 ai Especial Ai, 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 ai Ha ha Ayo, as blonde va Oh Montana Oh Montana Ah Montana Ah Montana Ah Montana Ah Montana Tabo Jack House and vai. How you guys? Thank you so much. Maka Maka sure it's a wanted man today. Nimesikia jina yangu. Peter Maina, where are you watching from bwana? Omera Peter, thank you so much baby girl. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, Paulina Liz, how are you? Oh, Ali, Peter Maina. Itaya, Itaya, Yule wakitengela. Alicia Idamende Have you seen Alisa? I Chamunduma Oh, thank you so much, baby girl. Idam Kintengela Hawaii, Hawaii, Badlo, Robot. They wanna know Montana. They wanna know Montana. Hey, Joya. They wanna see Montana. Nilimbia ile wimbo ulisema gani Aduru bende Ay bende Have you seen Turn Pizza my guy? Have you seen Aduru Ani donga Ani donga Ani donga Are you dancing? Are you vibing? Let me tell you my story, oh, from my home, Montanale. Joy, Paulina. Joy, ma'am. Mr. Kumo. Mama dear. On in the sky. On in the sky. Allah. All in love with Montana. Montana. Ayo. I know you want me to continue. Ayo. Stranger door. I don't want to talk now. Yeah. I see Joy. Paulina. Alicia. Peter, my guy. Let me tell you guys, thank you so much. I see there's a lot of people watching on YouTube. If you like the vibe, at least Paulina, you can even you can tip through PayPal. Also, there's a M-Pesa. Paulina, you Joy. If you want to kill me with something, there's a PayPal or M-Pesa, and also there's a super chat, guys. Pass also on the vibe. Idoga. Yeah, name is Maka Muganda. Remember to subscribe. Don't leave there without subscribing. Susanna. I don't want a slow music now. I just want something going very fast. Let me. Guys, 1 second. I have to change the bundles. Don't. Morris on the one. Luke Mata. Batamata. Luke Zumba. Luke Madae. Luke Madae. Have you seen the Kiro Baba? Mada Duke. Oh my God. I don't see with Mona. Where is Montana? The zero but Duke Motor. Duke Battle never. Who is this? Just 1 second, guys. I have to confirm. I don't know. Let me confirm. How much? I don't want to call your name. Thank you so much. You know, these are social media. Thank you so much. Receive the Lord. Thanks. Hero Kamano. May God bless you. I received that tempest. Tabono Jeko. Everywhere on the line. Ready. Everywhere. Heavy. Yakaboy. Benjaga. Adindo nyakaboy. Yawa dindo nyakaboy. Boom smile. Paganino wedi Roma. Wedi Romania. Aye makaye jamo makalu wedi. Have you seen Roma? Nimbi ye. Ulu nimbi ye. Nyakaboy malo. Baglaipo. Nobody dance. Nobody right. Wait, Roma is on the line. Roma. Yawat, imani. Yawat, nigga. Yakaboy. There's a lady by the name of Yakaboy. You know, beautiful lady from Kaboy. High percentage of them, they were not born. They were created on Monday. Yakaboy, Eddie. Hello. Elizabeth Andre Eddie every way where are you? In no me no that if you get mama that project Never ways on the vibe, Nyakaboy. Thank you so much. And the way also the man. I don't know. Let me confirm, guys. Let me confirm something here, guys. I don't know. Let me confirm something. There's an appreciation. I don't know, Baba. I don't know how to appreciate you. Thank you so much, Baba. Ochibo. Let me play one song. These are common name. Are you there, Ochibo? Where's Ochibole? I want to see you so that I can continue the streaming. I want to start Ochibole, Baba. Yeah. Thank you so much, my guy. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Sharif Abdul. Tabon Jaton. Oh, Taboni. Ochiangya. Olo watch Ronnie Solama. Ay, maka. Zungu. Abia. Pati Mondavai. Tony. Where is Ade Achimori? No chivo. Mano chivo. Ochipole. Mano chivo. Aglari. Let me sing to chivo. Uche modonge kimwe. Buti kenaya. Buti bende duameni. I'm from Kenya, my guy. And if you're watching on YouTube, guys, and you like the vibe, there's a super chat. You can donate in super chat. And remember, this is a traditional vibe dance. So it's called nyatiti. Yeah. The funny thing, guys, I'm singing to this guy, my brother, who have already did something special in my M-Pesa. But I don't see you. Guys. Just wave if you are the one. If you are there, just do something. Just wave so that I can know. Yeah, you know, there's a lot of people watching, and I have to. Losing my what I saying. Losing my. Do you understand French? That one is French. Let me give you the last song. Say Muganga Muku, the witch of music. MC Antonio Kevo Abuti, where watching from my brother. Darele Adala Adeli house on the Bible. Lobo Okalo tangala inyajui akogalo yawa derapia nubi akujamako nubi Elizabeth house on the pipe now. Engineer, I say engineer Elizabeth, if I say you coming on, who comes with me, and who comes with me, Engineer Baba, and I tell you to sing about me. If I say stop to sing, love your hand. Elizabeth on the phone. Engineer, where are you, engineer? I want to see you. Just wave. Tango my eye, Eliza Yuga, the Kanu shake, Eliza shake, Calebo, my work, engineer, oh, Josie, can you bang? I said, two balls, I bang. I Josie bang. I Jacobo bang. I Elizabeth. Numaya, I've been still losing my Amora Bella, Engineer Baba. Aquí Sajamon Doninjero Ayo Narmole Maro Ay Now we are ending the vibe. If you like the vibe, just say Maka Elizabeth. Ayo I say I'm making evening twillet sasa. Imbaya usondeva. Imbaya. Ay, mukina matovenya. Emi koli imbaya baba. Elisa, imbaya, oh imbaya, umungo na imbaya, ndendalo imbaya. Elizabeth abisini imbaya, Lucy Maya, ay Maya, damelo, magaye, my time, Empire Dumulu, have you seen my empire? It's a vibe with Maka. And no gang any empire, Budo Jangomani. Engineer, when you engineer, when Linka. I wanna see you. I wanna see you. The boy with rumba. The boy with banjo. Have you seen guitar, Isaka? High five, Radi. Hello, Radi. Katumulu konyang, konyango nene bud. Darela ondea, losing my apple. Jacob on the vibe. When I'm coming to Imbaya. Darbo, engineer baba, Darbo Longo Maka, Darbo, number one engineer in Nairobi City. Anno gangeni tumbora koyo gamoi. Anno gangeni tungama komo ganda kama. Aye, Darbo. Joey, Darbo Joey, Imbaya Joey, la modise. Are you dancing? Darbo, are you jamming? My time. Darbo, have you seen Jack on engineer? Imbaya do mangado. Imbaya do mangado. It's a traditional lover. Darbo. I see Lucy Maya. Let me tell you one thing, Maya. The instrument is not using electric. No electricity. Imbaya engineer Joey, Thank you so much, guys. I don't know how to appreciate you guys. Time is not on my side, but you know, you know me. Well, by the time I just touch the instrument, I normally I feel the vibe. You know, that's the only thing that I know. Empire, the nyatiti, that's the only thing I know. So when I'm doing, I try to do it my best. and I feel it, the vibe. That's what I like, guys. That's what I love so much, guys. Thank you so much for helping me to love what I love. Lucy Maya, thank you so much for helping me to love what I love. Thank you so Karumo. Mit Karuma Yego Baba. Erokamano Baba. Turbo Baba. Ago erokamano maduong. Keep on watching. Keep on vibing. My name is Maka Mugenda. Just here, I'm from Siaya, but right now, we are now trying to chase money in Diani. Thank you so much, guys. If you like the vibe and you are watching on YouTube, also there's a super chat. You can donate in super chat before you leave. May God bless you. I don't know how to appreciate you. Nyasaye mundu gwedu. May Jah bless you, God of our ancestor. Ubongo nyakalaga be with you. Have a good night. That's the end of my session today. Have a nice time. Ciao, ciao.